Got a surprise today. It actually came in sooner than I expected. Our windows came in. Hey gang, Jose with Sailing Vessel Reverie. Just this is a very short video, just a quick update. I'm very excited. I finally received my new windows, and no, this is not it. This is actually the old window that was on Reverie. It's been mistreated for years, and you know, the rings are broken from over tightening the frames. I don't know if you can see it there. They're all cracked. So these windows were beyond repair, and in my searches, a buddy of mine who has the same boat, the same Pearson 34, recommended Beckson. And I didn't know about Beckson until he told me. I've been looking for a replacement window, but they were super expensive. They were running at about $800 a piece per window, and they were not the exact size. And with Beckson, I was able to find the exact replacement for our windows. And they come in two styles. There's a version that has a porthole, and the porthole is installed so you can slide it in, and it has a screen already pre-installed in it. They come in white or black, and they have the retention ring. In addition to that, to keep water from kind of accumulating on the window, they have this drain channels. So you know the angle on the cabin is going to be a little bit inclined. So if you don't have a way for the water to run out, you're going to get puddling, and then eventually the water is going to find its way into the boat. With this windows, you have these channels to facilitate the draining. Another nice thing is they allow you for two ways of installing the window. So I'm gonna remove the ring. So you can fasten this is the portion the window gets installed, you know, with a porthole in. So this is going to go from the inside out, and you can secure it against the hole and then put the ring excuse me, put the ring on top and seal it. And what that's going to do is it's not going to have any screws going through the ring, so it gives you a pretty secure mounting. But you have a lot of sealant over those screws, so it's going to keep water from coming in through the screws. Another method is for you to drill the holes, and they facilitate that on the ring because they mark, I don't know if you can see it on the video, they have little markers where the screws you would have to drill to match the window. Another nice thing about this is that it is a perfect fit to the old window. So I'm not gonna have to do a bunch of adjusting of the size of the opening. I should be able to clean things up, prep, and install the window pretty readily. Now, you know, wishful thinking, you know how those things usually go. So the other type of window that I order is a solid Deadlight. And you know, most of you know Deadlights don't open, Portlights do open. So since Reverie has a curve on the cabin that, you know, goes around towards the bow of the boat, I figured the fix would be better for the forward side, you know, where there's that bend. So that way it's just one piece that is been fitted to the curvature of the boat. And on the aft portion, then I would install the one with a port light. So it would look, you know, something like this. So I'm pretty excited. These windows are fantastic. They look great. And the biggest part, what I enjoy the most, I'm actually going to be able to see outside of the boat through the port light. Because right now all the windows are foggy, so I can see light, that's about it. But now we're going to be able to look out from the cabin and see what's going on outside. So that's the update for now. I'll give you another run when I go install this windows. Hopefully it won't take a month. I'm going to try to jump on these right away because that's going to fix 90% of my leak problems in the cabin. So I'm pretty excited about that. Then I can leave the cushions and not have to worry about them getting wet. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll provide another update soon. Stay tuned.